Question number 14, student. A man walks on a straight road from his home to market 2.5 kilometer away with a speed of 5 kilometer per hour. Finding the market closed, he instantly turns and walks back home with a speed of 7.5 kilometer per hour. What is the first? Magnitude of average velocity and second, average speed of the man over the time interval of time 0 to 30 minute, 0 to 50 minute and 0 to 40 minute. So student, we have to find the magnitude of average velocity and average speed in time interval 0 to 30 minute, 0 to 50 minute and 0 to 40 minute, and person move from what? Home to market, which is 2.5 kilometer away. With he goes home to market with speed 5 kilometer per hour, 5 kilometer per hour, and market closed, and then he instantly return back with the change speed, which is 7.5 kilometer per hour. So we have to find the average velocity and average speed for three cases. So first we have to start first case, first time interval for 0 to 30 minutes. So speed, that is what? 5 kilometer per hour, and we have to find the average velocity and average. Average velocity means what? What the average velocity, that is what? Displacement by time, and average speed, total distance by total time taken. So what the time taken by the person to move from home to market. So speed, that is what? 5 kilometer per hour, 5 kilometer per hour, and distance that travel 2.5 kilometer. So time taken by the man to travel a distance that is 2.5 kilometer. So we use the formula time, that is what? Time equal to distance by speed. So distance, that is what? 2.5 kilometer, and speed, that is what? 5 kilometer. So it comes out to be that, student, 25 by what? 25 by 50, and it comes out to be that what? 1 by 2 hour. 1 by 2 hour means what? 30 minute. So time taken by the person to move from home to market, what the time taken, that is what? 30 minutes, and we have to find average velocity and average speed for time interval of 30 minutes. So in straight line path, displacement and distance, that is what? Same, which is 2.5 kilometer. So magnitude of average velocity, which is displacement by time, and student displacement, that is what? 2.5 kilometer, and time taken by what? 30 minutes, which is 1 by 2. So average velocity, that is what? 5 kilometer per hour, and again average speed in this time interval, total distance by total time taken, total distance by total time taken, and total distance, that is what? 2.5 kilometer, And what the time taken, that is what, 30 minutes, and 30 minutes means what, 1 by 2 hour. So that is what, it is also comes out to be that 5 kilometer per hour. And student, also you know that distance and displacement is what, equal in straight line path, and time taken, that is what, 30 minute or 1 by 2 hour. So so average velocity and average speed both becomes what, same. And now going to solve the second part, average velocity and average speed for time interval of, that is what, 50 minutes. So student, in 30 minute, displacement, that is what, in 30 minutes I have already calculated displacement of the person, that is what, 2.5 kilometer, and distance is also, distance in 30 minutes, that is what, 2.5 kilometer. So out of 50 minutes we have to find the average velocity and average speed, and first 30 minutes displacement of the person is 2.5 kilometer and distance is also 2.5 kilometer in first 30 minutes. So what the displacement attained by the object in next 20 minutes and distance also in next 20 minutes. So displacement of person in next 20 minutes, and in first 30 minutes person is reaches from home to market, and after that he will return to home with change with speed which is 7.5 kilometer per hour. So in the next 20 minutes the speed we use, which is v2, 7.5 kilometer per hour. So displacement, that is what, so displacement comes out to be that, which is speed v2 and time, that is what, that is suppose that t1, and this v2 which is what, 7.5, and time converted into hour, and it comes out to be that is what, 3 ja, and student 3 2 ja 6, and that is what, 5 ja 15. So displacement in first 30 minutes person move from home to market, and next 20 minutes person travel a displacement is also 2.5 kilometer. It means what, person in 50 minutes move from home to market and then come back to market, because it travel a distance and displacement, that is what, 2.5 kilometer. So in straight line path displacement and distance are same. So net displacement of person in 50 minutes, that is in first 30 minutes it travel a displacement of 2.5 kilometer, and next 20 minutes it come back to what, market to home. So that will be what, their initial and final position, that is what, coincide. So displacement of the person, that is what, 0, and total distance which is equal to what, distance is a scalar quantity and total distance must be added, 2.5 kilometer and 2.5 kilometer. So total distance which comes out to be that is what, 5 kilometer total distance. But we have to find the average velocity. average velocity in this case, second part we are deriving here. Average velocity, we know that displacement, net displacement by total time taken, and student, net displacement, that is what, 0, and time, that is what, 50 by 60 hour. So but average velocity, that is what, in this case 0, and average speed, which is written as average speed, total distance by total time taken, and total distance, that is what, 5 kilometer, which is, and total time 50 minute converted into what, 50 by 60 hour, and it can be written at 5 into 60 by 50, and student, this will be cancelled or this will be cancelled, so that is what, average speed comes out to be that 6 kilometer per hour. So average velocity in this case, in time interval of 0 to 50 minutes, that is what, 0, but average speed, which is 6 kilometer per hour. Now I am going to solve the average velocity and average speed for time interval 0 to 40 minutes. And student, already you know that in first 30 minutes person travel a distance and displacement 2.5 kilometer. So in 30 minute displacement, that is what, 2.5 kilometer, and distance 2.5 kilometer. Now person return back from market to home in the next 10 minutes. So we have to find the displacement of the person, that is third part, displacement of person in next 10 minutes. So displacement, that is what, speed, that is what, which speed, v2 speed, and time, that is what, here we have taken t2, so v2, that is what, 7.5, and t2 we have taken 10 by what, minute converted into hour, so it comes out to be that 75 by what, 60, and or we can solve it 0 0, and 6 3 2 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6, 7.10 by 60, so it comes out to be that 2.5 by what, 3 2 ja 1 ja 0.2 and 5 kilometer. So displacement of the person next 10 minutes, which is 1.25 kilometer. It means what, person move from home to market 2.5 kilometer, and from come back to what, 1.25 kilometer. So what the actual displacement? And displacement, you know that, student, shortest straight line path between the final position and initial position. So person return back 1.25 kilometer, and total distance, that is what, 2.5 kilometer. So net displacement, which is 2.5 kilometer minus 1.25 kilometer, and student, it comes out to be that 1.25 kilometer. And total distance is a scalar quantity, so total distance travel by a person, first 30-minute distance, that is what, 2.5 kilometer, and next 10 minute 1.25 kilometer, so it comes out to be that 3.75 kilometer. And we have to find average velocity. Average velocity, and it is written as net displacement by total time, and net displacement, that is what, 1.25, and total time, that is what, 40 by 60. And student, after solving this, it comes out to be that 1.857 kilometer per hour. You can solve it, and after solving, it comes out to be that average velocity, which is 1.857 kilometer per hour. And in similar way, average distance, average speed, which is total distance by total time taken, and student, total distance, that is what, 3.75, and total time, that is what, 40 by 60 hour. And it's, after solving this, it comes out to be that 5.625 kilometer per hour. This is the final result in all three cases, average velocity and average speed.